use ZipPay in store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your ZipPay in your store. So first of all, just simply open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the MobiKwik mobile application in your device. And once you're done downloading the MobiKwik mobile application in your device, just simply click on open and open the application in your device. And after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged into your account, so in order to make the payment in any store using your ZipPay, all you have to do is just simply go to the store, and after that just ask the store manager to show you the QR code through which you can make the payment for the product that you are buying from there. So just simply click on the QR code section from the middle of the screen at the bottom. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply scan the QR code that has been provided by the vendor or the store manager to you. And if you are not using the QR code, you can also mention the details manually. As you can see that you can enter the name, number and UPI ID of the person you are making the payment for. So just simply click on it, and after that you can enter the details right here. So yeah, these are the few ways through which you can use ZipPay in store. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.